maaf ya Pak. Oke.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The Honorable, my teacher, Mrs. Nurliana Septikarlini, and the Honorable, all my beloved classmates 6A Ek Muhammadiyah Elementary School Ek and 10. I'm going to start my speech with a question. Which one is better, doing the right thing or doing the good thing? I give you 10 seconds to decide your choice. Now, what is your answer? I believe most of you still can decide. Don't worry about it, I still couldn't decide it myself. Do you know why it is difficult for us to choose between the two options that I just mentioned to you just now? Because the question is not really about what we decide to choose, but it is about whether or not we have a strong morality inside us. My name is Sultan Zani Firdaus, and today I would like to deliver my speech about moral education. Specifically about several ideas that we can use to implement moral education at school. Ladies and gentlemen, when we talk about morality, I don't think there is a fixed definition about it. Morality for me is not only about right or wrong, but it is also about whether or not something that we do is kind or good. Well, that is just how difficult it is for us to define morality. For me, morality is not about a definition from dictionary, because the only thing that can help us to tell whether something is good or not is heart. And as much as we want to believe that the heart is a pure thing, we have to admit that it is also influenced by various external concepts that is exposed to us over and over again. Looking at this condition as the place where children spend most of their time, the school surely holds responsibility to take part in their character building, and in this case, it is through moral education. I have several ideas on how we may be able to implement moral education at our school easily. The first one is to start the day by playing or doing something to remember the God. I believe that our parents have introduced us to the concept of God since we were kids. If we start our day at school by playing, we'll remember that the God is watching our acts, so that we will try to do our best and behave ourselves towards each other. The second one is to make the first hour of the school to be the time for all students to work together and clean the classroom and its environment. The cleaning process is not merely taking out the garbage, but also sweeping and mopping the floor, cleaning the window, and put everything in the classroom in order to make them look tidy. This activity will make the student to be disciplined, especially in keeping their environment clean. They will also learn how important cooperation is. The third one is to say greeting to all teachers when they first arrive at school, also when they want to go home in the afternoon. This activity will grow a deeper connection between teachers and students, because they just like the wise words say, to get closer to someone, you need conversation, and the shortest conversation is greeting. I believe this is all true, because if we really want to think about it, how can we really get closer to our teachers if we never even talk to them or greet them? I think that's all from me. I hope you find something useful from my speech. Thank you very much for your attention, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Oke, terima kasih.